You see this beat? All night and let's follow Maddie. Maddie is correct. I believe in that.
You're gonna end up in ends in a minute.
Okay, I hope not.
That way out?
Huh?
Right, just go up there and we'll figure it out.
This is another.
Yanta? Oh, laka, Arifa. Okay. Baby. አሁን ይሰራል ልደውልለት አሁን የሚሰራ ይመስለኛል Yo. Where are you?
I just went across the road. I'm in a shop, but I'm coming back now. I can be there like 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Yeah. I'm at the lobby.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
See you guys. All right. I'll see you there.
See you, brother.
See you.
ኦኬ እየመጣ ነው ወደዚህ የሆነ ቃል ይገዛ ሄዶ ነው ስለዚህ ወንድማችን እንጠብቃለን ካሜራ እየቀረጽን ማለት ነው because ቤት በኩል እንደሚመጣ እናቀም አስበዋል ባትሪ ብታልቂ አንቺ አሁን ባትሪ ብጨርሽ ነው ምልሽ anyways ከዲላን ፔጅ እንዴት እንደተገናኘው ትንሽ ታሪክ ልንገራችሁ እሺ ከዲላን ፔጅ ጋር የተገናኘ ነው አካውንቴ ላጣ ስቀርብ ነው የሆነ በቃ አካውንቴ በቃ ዋርኒንግ ላስት ዋርኒንግ ላይ ደረሰ ይጠፋብሃል ምናምን ብሎ ዋርኒንግ ላኩልኝ ቲክቶክ ከዛ ዲአክቲቬት አድርገው ተባልኩኝ ዲአክቲቬት አድርገህ ከዛ በውስጥ አፕላይ እናርግ ምናምን ተባልኩኝ ያ ደግሞ የፈሪ እንቅስቃሴ ደሆነ ነው ውስጤ የተሰማኝ ውስጤ ነገረኝ አትፍራ ፈሪ የሆንክ ነው ውጣውንና ለቲክቶክ ቪዲዮ ስራላቸው በእንግሊሽ አድርገ ከዛ ሌላስ ማን ልስራ ዲላን ፔጅ ለዲላን ፔጅም ቪዲዮ መስራት አለብህ አለኝ ውስጤ ኦልራይት እቺ አሁን የእግዚአብሔር ድምጽ ነች ባይዘው ያያችሁ የሆነ በቃ የሆነ ነገር ላጣ ተቃርብ ያለው ስትሉ ወይም ነው የሆነ ነገር ስታጡ እግዚአብሔር ግን በሌላ በኩል ጥሩ ነገር ያዘጋጀላችሁ ነው ከዛ ለዲላን ፔጅ ቪዲዮ ሰራውለት ማለት ነው ዲላን ፔጅ እነዚህ ነገሮች ያጋጠሙኝ ነው ምናምን ብዬ ከዛ ሁላችሁ ዲላን ፔጅ መለሰ እናንተ አገዛችሁ ሜንሽን አረጋችሁት ምናምን ከዛ ይሄው እዚህ ነን አይገርምም እዚህ ለንደን የአርሰናልና በርንሌ ጨዋታ ልናይ አዶና የአርሰናል ልብስ ለብሶ ከዲላን ፔጅ ጋር ሊገናኝ like god damn you know it's unbelievable sometimes እግዚአብሔር የሚሰራባቸው መንገዶች ልነግራችሁ አልችልም እንዳንዳንድ ጣላቶች ቢሆንም አሁን ወድቀን አፈር እየላስን በሆነ ልንገራችሁ እውነቴን ነው የምላችሁ እኔ ቀና ምለው ከኔ ለሚማሩ አዶናይ ንጽህናው ውስጡ ለሚታያቸው መንገዱ ለሚታያቸው ያዶናይ ፐርፌክሽን ሳይሆን ኢምፐርፌክሽን ያዶናይ ኢምፐርፌክሽንም እነሱን የሚያጽናናቸው ሰዎች ለነሱ ስል ነው ቀና ብዬ ተስፋ አድርጌ ምንቀሳቀሰው ሁሌም እንጂ አንዳንድ ሰዎችማ ይገርማችኋል እኮ በጣም ምንጣፍ ብንታነጥፉላቸው ማለት ነው ለምን አባህ የንጉስ ኮፍያ ያላረክልኝም ብለው ይጠሏቸዋል anyways ሰው ነው እግዚአብሔርም እግዚአብሔር ነው የእናንተ ስራ መሆን ያለበት ለሰው ጥሩ መሆን ሰውን ማገዝ ለሰው ክፉ አለመመኘት ነው እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ በተመላላሽ ነው የሚባለው በተመላሽ ጥሩ ነገር ያመጣላችኋል ካርማ ይባላል በቃ የሆናችሁትን እግዚአብሔር ያሳያችኋል ለጊዜያዊ እኮ የተጎዳችሁ ምናምን ሊመስል ይችላል ለነዛ መንቀኞችም ለእናንተም ግን ደግሞ ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ ሲታይ እናንተ ናችሁ በቃ አሸናፊ እና ተመስገን አዶናይ ከመቀሌ ወጥቶ ከዛ መቀሌ አድጎ ወደ ካናዳ ሄዶ አሳይለም ጠይቆ ጥገኛ ሆኖ ከ7 አመት በኋላ ፓስፖርቱን አግኝቶ አዲስ አበባ ተመልሶ በጣም በሙሉ ኢትዮጵያ ተጠልቶ ባለጌ ተብሎ ተስፋ ሳይቆርጥ በርትቶ ሰርቶ አሳይቶ ከፍ ብሎ አምኖ ጠይቆ መልሶ አገኘ እዚህ ይገኛል ተረዳችሁኛ ትልቅ ነገር ነው ይሄ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ትልቅ ነገር ነው እና ይህ መልእክት ለሁላችሁም ዲላን መጣች you see this feet my brother I'm so happy. I can't believe we made it brother Yeah, man. You look amazing in person too, man.
We
I'm
are
so
finally
happy.
here, bro. We are finally
Is that Maddie right there?
That's Maddie right
Let me give you a hug, Maddie.
Nice
Aw.
and fun.
How you doing, Maddie? So good to see you.
Man, it's good to see you in an Arsenal t-shirt,
Boom.
bro. That's it.
Hey, man. I used to be a United fan, but this guy,
Man, it's just convenient. Right when Arsenal's about to make history, you switch over.
Yeah.
You know, it's a smart move, but
It's a very, very calculated move. Let me tell you that.
oh man, this is so crazy.
So good to
bro.
see you, man.
You look beautiful, man.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Alright, bro.
You know,
think-
I lost this hoodie, man. You gotta
You
give me
lost
one
it
more.
already?
Yes. Literally, as soon as I hit Ethiopia, I don't know where it went. I need one.
Now,
Definitely.
the real time is coming. We are first going to be going to the Baller League,
Yeah.
which is big, and then we are going to watch Arsenal play with KSI. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
With KSI. Oh my fucking God.
think
I
it's
cannot
time to
believe
get
it.
an Uber, bro. Otherwise, we're going to be late.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
get it.
I'm excited, man.
Guys.
Woo.
Won't be late.
Are we gonna be late?
Yeah, but it'll be alright. We'll figure out.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
I was gonna get her a dress, Ethiopian dress. She said no.
Oh, really?
She said no.
No, I said I can do a top or a jersey. I was like, I can't do a dress. I was like, this. Fine.
Now I see your style. Now I see your style. That was wrong. I see your style now. All right, let's go now, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do
በቃ
it.
አሪፍ ጋይስ፣ አሁን ወደ ስታዲየሙ እየሄድን ያለ ነው። ወደ ስታዲየሙ እየሄድን ነው። ፓዲንግተን ትሬን ያለ ነው። Maddie, who's gonna be security?
Me.
Nobody knows me, so I'm gonna be security today.
When we get there today, there'll be lots of people trying to speak to him.
Really? Hey, he doesn't have no security. He's
Not
okay.
in London.
Really? He's okay.
Yeah, he doesn't mind.
Wow.
It's like nobody's trying to do anything bad normally in the UK. They just
Are
want
you on
friends.
social media, by the way?
No.
You're not. You don't like being on social media.
Go then.
Yeah. I can be your security, by the way, if you pay me.
Yeah.
If you pay me.
How expensive are you?
I have a yellow belt
Yeah, yellow belt.
in martial arts. I started it when I was 10 years old.
For real?
Yes, and I stopped when I was 11. So, I mean, muscle memory, you know?
I can pay you a tiny amount for that experience.
Oh my God.
Now, what do you think so far?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, truly, truly do, honestly.
Yeah?
The weather, though.
Bro, yeah,
What-
that's what everyone says. The weather can beat you down.
It's gloomy,
Yeah, and this is what, like, bro, you've come at a time where it's not even that bad.
right?
You-
This
you
is
come
basically
here in,
summer.
like, December and stuff, it gets dark at like
Okay.
4 p.m. Gets light at like 9 a.m.
Okay,
Which side? It doesn't matter down there because I think
we're gonna have to tap, huh?
yeah.
Okay, I can't tap because I only have cash, but he has a card.
You got a girl, you're single.
I have a girlfriend.
Nice.
Her name is Jani. She
Yeah.
actually has the same style as this. She likes like baggy clothes
Really?
and yeah.
Yeah. And how long you been together?
Almost a year.
Nice.
You're actually gonna meet her up when we go to Ethiopia.
Yeah.
I'm
man.
gonna introduce you, man.
Nice.
Are you in a relationship?
Huh?
Are you in a relationship?
What you mean?
Are you in a relationship? Is that what you mean?
What?
Are you? I don't know. What?
What do you mean? Am I in a relationship?
Yeah. Was that a wrong question?
I'm with her for 10 years, bro.
I thought you said I'm celebrating your social media career.
No, bro.
I didn't think it was this.
You said, how did we meet? And I said we met at 17, bro. This guy's not even listening.
Maddie,
to me.
I thought you were no, I didn't think she was your girlfriend, but I thought she was by your side, you know, like this person.
We've been together for almost 10 years.
Oh, Maddie, give me a hug, Maddie. Oh, I didn't know, sorry. I swear to you, I didn't know. I swear to you. Ah, I'm confused. London, come on, wake me up. Wake me up.
Jet lag, bro. I think he's jet lagged.
I'm actually having a headache, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It must be a bad headache.
የሚያሳብድ ጨዋታ አርሰናል የጨዋታ ካሸነፉ ወይ ጋይስ ዱ ወይ ጋይስ ዱ ትልቅ ጨዋታ Sorry, worries.
Bro, I'm excited for
Dude,
this
I can't even. Oh, are you excited about Ethiopia?
Ethiopia.
You know, I'm excited myself.
Yeah?
I'm diaspora, as I told you.
Yeah.
So I've been abroad 7 years in Canada.
7 years.
So yes, I get to see the country with you mostly.
Yeah. Have you done some of the stuff that we're planning to do? or-
No, I
None of
haven't.
this?
I haven't. So that's why I'm so excited. I haven't touched no hyena. I don't think
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Really?
If you do it though, I have to do it. That's a
I will be doing
must.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will be. So you
I'll
got to
do
do it as
it.
well then.
You're gonna do it? So you have to feed like a raw meat to.
On
Yeah,
the stick.
with the stick in your mouth.
Oh man, great. How do I trust them? You
But
know?
I heard that there's been like no attacks in that city for like,
Maybe I swear.
or is that they
Lying.
just kept it quiet?
Reported. I'm joking. I don't want to cause no. I don't know nothing. I'm
You're
afraid.
not gonna do it.
Hey man, I'll see you do it and then. Oh, okay, this is the train we hang out on እንደምታዩት guys.
Huge fan.
Thank you so much,
I
man.
watched your video with Alex.
Oh really? Oh,
Yeah.
the Alex video.
Yeah, I watched everything. I watched everything.
Thank you so much, man. That's amazing. Yeah, the Alex is like a deep cut, bro. That was like an hour and something
Yeah,
long.
I watched the whole thing. I was there
Jeez,
walking.
bro, I need to shake your hand again. Thank you so
Can I
much.
take a
For sure, man.
Oh, you're not getting it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
let's
go.
go.
Yeah, let's go. The seats and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's.
If you both sit there, I'll record YouTube.
Okay. How long has it been since you've been here?
We come every now and again. We try not to too much.
Okay.
Maybe it's been like a few weeks, a month. Because it's like it's such a big place, man. It's,
I know.
all right, what line are we trying to get on? DLR?
Mild May.
We're gonna be so lost. If
Yeah.
I just left you here and I walked away now, I'd see you like maybe next month sometime.
Hey man. From my experience, I think it's this way.
Oh really? I
Yeah.
think there's the opposite way.
Is it the opposite?
The opposite. DLR?
To get out,
Okay, DLR is this way.
to walk out, and then back in.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We need a local.
can anybody? Who should we
Way
ask?
out there.
Yeah.
Oh no, but there's also way out over there.
Please take extra care.
Oh, way out. Oh,
two
there's
ways
another
out.
one. This is not helping. This is not helping at all. Okay, Westfield, way out, and Town Center, way out.
Is it town center or should we just walk through the park?
We'll go that way.
We'll go that way?
Yep.
Let's follow Maddie.
Send it that way.
Maddie is correct. I believe in Maddie.
You're gonna end up in ends in a minute.
Okay, I hope not.
That way out?
Huh?
Right, just go up there and we'll figure it out.
Oh, this is another platform. It's another
Why?
platform.
Ah.
Come on, Maddie. I gave you all my hope. I believed in you. Okay.
Okay, Westfield, that's a good start.
Oh, light alone.
Way out. Ah, here we go, Mild Bay.
Yes?
Yeah.
There we go.
Taxi way, right, up there.
Listen. Okay, this way. Okay, another one again. It's like you're solving a puzzle. So do you usually like to stay at home?
I do, but I also it's like kind of our schedule is right now. We travel once a month
Yeah.
to do documentaries, and then
Documentary for what?
for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so this
okay.
is Ethiopia is going to be one of those.
Something is cooking.
Yeah.
Maybe that might be the right one because it says 1 and 2.
Huh? Okay, should we go this one?
It's literally just one stop.
Should we risk it, Maddie?
Yeah.
Should we risk it? Okay. ሰላም ጋይስ፣ አሁን እንግዲህ ወደ ስታዲየሙ ልንደርስ ትንሽ ደቂቃዎች ነው የቀሩን። ትሬን ውስጥ ነው ያለነው ቁጭ ብለን። በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ እዚህ ውስጥ እና አንድ ደስ የሚል ነገር ልንገራችሁ ብዬ ነው። እግዚአብሔር ሁሌ መንገዴ እንደመራው ነው። በቃ መንገዴ በእግዚአብሔር እንደተመራ ነው፣ እንደሄደ ነው እና በቃ ይህ ልጅ ሳገኘው በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ነው። በቃ የነቃሁት ታውቃላችሁ። እንዴት አድርገን እንደዚህ ደረጃ እንደደረስን እንዴት እንደተገናኘን እየነገረኝ ነበር እሱም ራሱና እግዚአብሔር ሁሌም አላማ እንዳለው እሱም በተመሳሳይ ምክንያት ነው ዛሬ ከሚያገኘው ትልቅ ኮንተንት ክሬተር የሚገናኘው እኔ በተመሳሳይ ምክንያት አይደል አካውንቴ ሊጠፋ ብሎ ተቸግሬ እሱን ጠራሁት እሱ ደግሞ ሌላ የጠራው ትልቅ ቲክቶከር አለና የኔና እሱ ተመሳሳይ መንገድ ነው ያለን እግዚአብሔር ሁሌም በዝቅታ ከፍታ ይዞልህ ይመጣል በቃ ህይወት የተበላሸ ብለህ ስታስብ ጥሩ ነገር ይዞልህ ይመጣልና ተስፋ እንዳትቆርጡ ልላችሁ ፈልጌ ነው እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን እወዳችኋለሁ ጋይስ ዲላን ፔጅ እንደተናገረኝ ማለት ነው ምንድነው ያለው መሰላችሁ እነዚህ ቦቶች ሰው የሚኖርባቸው እንደ ቤቶች ናቸው ከዛ ደግሞ ሬስቶራንት አለ እዛ ጋር ሽታውም ድረስ በጣም ደስ የሚለው ሳመር ላይ ሲሆን በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች እዚህ ጋር ይመጣሉ እነዚህ አሳያችሁና ቀርብ ብለ እነዚህ ቦቶች አያችኋቸው እነዚህ መርከቦች መኖሪያ ናቸው እንደ ቤት ማለት ነው የኛው መኖሪያ ነው ያቺ ደግሞ ሬስቶራንት ነች ምናምን ያኛው ጢስ እየወጣበት ነው ከዛኛው ደግሞ ያኛው ሬስቶራንት ነው በጣም ደስ የሚለው ለስዋክ እየቀረጽክሽ ነበር በምን አለ ይኸው በዚህ ሳይድ መኖሪያዎች ናቸው በአጠቃላይ ማለት ነው ክሬዚ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ትምህርት ቤት አለ ፈጠን ዛሬ ጭንቅላቴ እያመመኝ ነው ታውቃለህ አርሰናልና በርንሌ ትልቅ ጨዋታ ስታዲየም ገብቼ ኦ ማይ ጋድ It's going to be crazy. አሸብርቅ ያለው ደግሞ በአርሰናል ቪዲዮ እየቀረጸ ነው ዲላን ትንሽ ጠጋ እንለታለን እና ኤኒዌይስ የሚገርም ሰፈር ነው ይሄ እንደምትመለከት ያኛው የሚገርም ሰፈር ነው